the formation of image by concave lens. The first condition is this lens is also called diverging lens. It also contains still summa-joining. Shreya? Shreya? Am I not audible? Am I not audible?
Ma'am, you are audible.
Ayushi? You just entered the class, no? Try to be on time, Shreya, Ayushi. Okay, let's begin. When the object is at infinity, object is not visible. This is the optical center. Only the light ray is coming. As we know that when the light ray is parallel to the principal axis after diffraction, it passes through the focus or it appears to pass through the focus. It is the diverging lens, so when the light ray parallel to the principal axis falls on it, then it diverges. When we construct this refracted ray backward, then we see that it passes through the focus. And as I explained, the formation of image is not possible by taking a single ray. So take one more ray. It will also diverge. By constructing backward, we will see that these two rays are intersecting at point F. But they are virtually intersecting. The image is formed at focus. It is formed by the virtual intersection. So it is virtual, and virtual image is always erect, upright. And it is highly diminished. Second condition is when the object is placed at any point on the principal axis. Optical center, focus. At any point the object is placed, suppose the object is placed here. The first light ray is parallel to the principal axis, so it will diverge. By constructing backward, it will pass through the focus. The second light ray, when passes through the optical center, then it remains undeviated. So we'll see that these two light rays are intersecting at this point. So here it will also be denoted by the dotted line. This is the image of the object. If the object is AB, then this is the image A dash B dash. Which type of image is where it is image formed? Between object and lens. Second, which type of image? Virtual and erect. And it is diminished because it is visible. So these are the two ray diagrams which we have to draw in concave. In concave contains only two ray diagrams. Okay. But the diagrams which I have explained yesterday and today, it shows that when the object moves towards the lens, then the image moves away from the lens. When the object moves towards the lens, then the image moves away from the lens, and in convex lens its size increases. When the object moves towards the lens, then its size increases and the image starts moving away from the lens. So these are the two basic points of the formation of image of the lens. When the object moves from a large distance toward the lens, the image shifts from the focus toward the optical center of the lens and size gradually increases. But it always remains smaller than the object. In which condition? In case of concave. And in convex, it moves away from the lens and the size gradually increases. It can be more than the size of the object. Next, we have the difference between concave and convex lens. The first difference is convex lens is thicker in the middle and thinner at its edges. Concave lens is thinner in the middle and thicker at its edges. Next is convex lens always forms, in most of the cases, in 5 cases it forms real image, and only one condition it forms virtual image. But in concave it always forms virtual image. It in convex lens it forms real image, so it always be inverted, and in concave lens it is always erect and it is diminished also. So these are the differences between concave and convex lens and the formation of its images. Okay, so I hope you all have understood. Is there any problem in any ray diagram? The diagram which I have explained on that day, means yesterday. Is there any confusion? If you have any problem in any ray diagram, then you can ask, because after that I'll start the new part from tomorrow. Okay, then write the answers of this part, and if you have any queries then you can ask me. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, take care, bye bye.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
you have to keep your work up to date. At any time when I'll ask for your copies, then you have to send the PDF of it. If you are not sending the PDF, then you will not get the marks in your internal exams. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, take care, bye bye.